everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I came to do a haul video for you all, and this is my first haul video in this channel. I have never done any kind of haul video in my channel. I don't know why. I have bought like so many things, expensive, non-expensive, so many things, but I have never done any kind of haul video or any review video or first impression video. But now I decided to start that, and I hope you all will like it. And if you all will like it, then please press that like button, because that is very important for my channel to grow. So let's start the video without blabbering, because अगर मैं start हो गई तो stop करना बहुत मुश्किल होगा. So let's start that. So in this video I will do a jewelry haul video, only jewelries. The first thing which I bought, okay, I bought this one. Can you see? This is a coin pendant layered thick chain necklace, and its price is 188 rupees. Okay, so let's talk about let's show you how I got it. Okay, it's a bit messy. Of course, it's with me. Of course they will get messy. So this is the product, and this is actual में जो picture में है, जो उनके website में है, it is actually same to same. There is no like buds are doing okay, so it's exactly to the point with the picture. There is no question or doubt with this product. Its quality, I'll show you. See, it's not cheap quality. Finish is absolutely stunning. But I will never wear this in public, because I don't have that, confidence to do that. But this is very good. So my first purchase was, now I will show you one ring, and this actually goes with the day, Valentine's Day. So I bought this ring. So this ring, in this ring it is written love, and today is the day of love. It's a bit heavy. Of course, there is so much detailing going on, so it will be a little bit heavy, and it's very sturdy. It's not like it will boom within some use. No, it will not. It's very sturdy, and it's very good quality, and the written style is also exactly with the picture. I'll show you the picture. This is the picture. Exactly, see, and its price is, I think, 190. Yes, 190. So there is no question in this also. So for me, this is also okay. Now I will show you a set of earrings. Okay, a set of earrings. It is a 6 pair of earrings in one set. 2 pairings is missing right now with me, because I have gifted to my 2 cousins. They were little cousins, and they were like very much eager to take that, and I told, okay, take it. They're babies, they need to be pampered. So this is the set. Can you see? So first is this one, this ring. It's a good detailing is also done, like zig. Okay, first thing is done. Now the second pair which I am wearing right now is exactly with the picture, and the quality is bang on. Okay, now the second big earrings is this is not fully round, but most probably it will look round when you will wear it. So This is another one, and one detailing is also done at the end, and it's very cute. So this one, and one pearl earring is there. It's a simple pearl earring. So the next product which I have is a layered necklace. As you can see, golden layered necklace. So this is the one. This stone and this half moon kind of thing is going on. And the favorite part is this, which my mother also liked it. So this is the necklace which I bought, and I really loved it. Really, this price was 146 rupees. Its actual price is 154, but 5% discount देके 146 rupees का हो गया है. So another cute earrings. This is a flower earring. Flower drop earrings, and its price is 164 rupees. Okay, this price is 164 rupees, and like this only I wanted to buy a white one also, but it was out of stock. I don't know why in Shein right now I'm getting everything which I'm liking is getting out of stock, and stock is also not very much. I don't know why, but they need to stock up. You need to stock up, please. People are loving to buy. So this is one earring, and this price is 164 rupees, and the quality is very good. The quality of the cloth which they used for the decoration of flowering also very good, not cheap. Everything is good. So another earring which I bought is this, and I really loved it, like really loved it, and its price is I think 104 rupees, and I think it's a bit pricey for me. It could be like 60-70 rupees, not much more than that, because I have a similar one kind of thing, not exactly similar, but kind of this kind of a style only, triangle type, and it was priced like 45 rupees. I bought it from Gariya Hut in Kolkata. This is sunflower. As summer is very near to us, and that time this earring will go exactly with the season, so I really liked it, and its price is 172 rupees, and I think it's also a bit pricey. This is statement earring too, and I can wear it with Indian outfits also. The detailing, the stones are placed in such a good way. It looks very expensive, but its price is not that high. It's 114 rupees, so it's not a expensive one, as the quality and everything is so good, finish is so good, and the back side is also so good, as if like ये back side भी पहन सकते. See, so its quality, finishing, everything is damn good. So I think price was not expensive, so I really loved it. So another earring is this, as you can see, ring के अंदर auric ring. So detailing is very good, very nice, and quality is also very good, and its price is 244 rupees, but I got it with 110 rupees. So it's very good. I don't think it's pricey. It's okay. It's not cheap, but not expensive too. Price is absolutely okay with the finish and with the quality too. Another set of 4 earrings I bought in 178 rupees, and it's this. So 178 rupees. Its actual price is 194, but I got it in 178 rupees. And so first the bigger one. This is the ring. In this haul I got so many rings. It looks very expensive, very sturdy. The quality is damn good, but it's not that heavy. So another thing in that part is this. It's not heavy, it looks very expensive, and quality is absolutely okay. I really love rings. So the next thing which I bought is this earring. This is a kind of Indian wear which is very rare to find in Shein, so but I bought it. because I really loved it, and it's absolutely very good quality. The stones are in a very good position. See, the finish is so good, like so good. And its price is actually 194, but I bought it in 174. This is a kind of very small, exactly not choker but not a big necklace also, and chain is there to, you know, adjust the size of your necklace. And this is pearl is very nice, and the quality of the chain is very good. So the next pair with the same necklace is a simple chain, okay, and with a star. And the last thing which I bought is another necklace, which is the, you know, written kind of thing necklace, which is very trendy right now. Is this written baby girl, and I am a baby girl. See, the quality is so good, which looks very classy on your neck. So the chain is like this, and this quality, this baby girl's quality is absolutely stunning. It's not cheap, it will not break easily. As you can see, I'm giving a lot of pressure, but it will not break because it's quality. अगर आप ऐसे आप उसके ऊपर चढ़ जाओगे तो वो तो टूट ही जाएगा, वो कोई भी चीज़ टूट जाएगा। ऐसे चढ़ के मीन्स रेगुलर यूज़ अगर करोगे ये टूटेगा नहीं ईजी। सो दैट आई मीन टू से दैट उसको बैठ मत जाना या उसके पैरों तले कुचल मत देना, नहीं तो वो टूटेगा। ओके, वो कोई भी चीज़ टूटेगा। सो आई रियली हैड अ very good experience with Shein, and I really love Shein right now because I am right now looking forward to buying more things, and I have so many things in my cart. So I hope my experience will not be bad with Shein, पर मेरी experience बहुत अच्छा था। तो जो भी लोग वेट कर रहे खरीदने के लिए, प्लीज़ खरीद लो, ओके। सारी चीज़ों का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी, अगर आपको ख़रीदना है तो वो लिंक क्लिक करो और जाओ। सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव लाइक्ड माई वीडियो। दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम हॉल वीडियो। अगर कोई भी मिस्टेक हो तो प्लीज़ इन अ पॉजिटिव वे नीचे कमेंट्स डाउन में कमेंट कर दो, तो आई विल ट्राई टू मेक माई सेल्फ करेक्ट इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो, एंड लॉट्स ऑफ लव राइट नाउ। बाय, टेक केयर।